Kedian ki khubor bagalaja ka chingsha Pynpait ki electronic voting machine EVM hak kanuan ki briu bomla itu durkhmat kat badang ya ki chingthap bu election MDC hak arpoi trek rumphang arja option arli ki polling station ki bahap ha musnyang rangat constituency ka bakum gani ka ju ka jingja kalaja ha arli ki polling station ki bahap abataw la kadong constituency ha Pynpait ki ganesh ki lat pthai khubor ba Cyril V Darlong Dingdo IAS Commissioner and Secretary kitna District Council Affairs ka Sokar Jala ulang bakini ki arli ki MDC constituency kini ki bahapa po Chanta Hills Autonomous District Council JHDC ki badai na East Chanta Hills District ulang bakini ki Southli ki polling station kata ka wapung score A but B ka 7 bataw A but 8 bataw B kinthap buat Biang Lashai ka sngi kata ka arpo artrek urumphang ar charpsan nadu ka por nyobuji mistap hadu ka por sawbuji chanmen ula Pynpait bakat hadu ka lai buji no phai sngi kaching poi ginong Thep buat na kumtag election MDC Shah Hills Autonomous District Council ka poi 4% but Chanta Hills Autonomous District Council pat 4% but kini percentage kinang kiu.
So as you know, the polls to the KHADC and JHDC concluded today. The poll happened from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the polling parties have left their polling stations and are on their way to the receiving stations. Some of them have also arrived at the receiving centers. So in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in all the districts, there was no report of any incidents of violence or any issues. The poll was conducted peacefully in all the Khasi Hills districts. And the polling percentage as of 3 p.m., because we are compiling the polling percentage which will be shared with the press a little later at night. So as of 3 p.m. for KHADC, the polling percentage is 60%. In Chanta Hills Autonomous District Council, there were some issues, particularly in East Chanta Hills District. So we got reports from the DC and the RO that in 2 constituencies, in 4 polling stations, that is in 22 Musnyang Rangat DCC constituency in East Chanta Hills District, in 2 polling stations, namely 7 Wapung Skur male and 8 Wapung Skur female, there was report that an unidentified mob entered the polling station and damaged both the EVMs in these 2 polling stations. So as a result, the report has been received, we have examined, and under the rules, we have ordered for a repoll. The repoll will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. It will conclude at 4 p.m. So the order is already out from the District Council Affairs Department that a repoll has been ordered for these 2 polling stations under 22 Musnyang Rangat District Council constituency in East Chanta Hills District. Another report was received a while ago from again East Chanta Hills District, this constituency called 29 Bataw Lakadong constituency, under which again an unidentified group of persons entered the polling station and damaged the EVM. This is at 2 polling stations, 7 Bataw A, which is a male polling station, and 8 Bataw B, which is a female polling station. Here also a report was received that because of the EVM damage, the District Council Affairs Department has ordered a repoll under the rules. So for this also, there will be repoll which will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. So to summarize, in Chanta Hills Autonomous District Council, as per reports received till date, 4 polling stations, 2 under 22 Musnyang Rangat District Council constituency, and 2 polling stations under 29 Bataw Lakadong District Council constituency will go for repoll tomorrow. Now this violence has happened. Now the report has been received. What is the exact reason, what has led this mob to come and do the violence? That, of course, we will need further inquiry and further reports. As of now, because of the damage to EVM, the rules allow us to have a repoll. There's a specific rule 143B. So if there's a violence and there's damage to EVM, we have ordered repoll in the interest of free and fair elections, and the repoll will happen tomorrow.
Why the security personnel, they could not do anything?
See, the security personnel are present, but this was, a group of a mob, right? So, the mob has overwhelmed them. And in fact, the polling parties also were rushed to the, nearest medical center because they also, got afraid, etc. So the district administration is taking due care. There's no report of any injury to anyone. All people are safe, except that the EVM has been damaged. So on account of the EVM being damaged, we have ordered a repoll in the interest of free and fair elections. So yes, the DC and the SP have reviewed the preparation. Since these are the only 4 polling stations, the security obviously will be enhanced. The steps have already been taken. They are being taken by the district administration, the deputy commissioner and the SP concerned. So additional forces will be deployed, additional magistrates will be deployed, and the DC will take all necessary steps to ensure that adequate security personnel and a new polling party is sent to these 4 polling stations so that the confidence is built up. And the appeal from the department is obviously that people should be aware that this repoll is happening and everyone should come out and vote. So the preparation for counting votes also is done. The training has already been imparted to the counting personnel by the respective DCs and ROs. The counting centers have also been notified. Just as a summary so that some of you are aware, I have briefed, but I'll again repeat. So for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, for East Khasi Hills District, there will be 3 counting centers. SDO Civil Sora Office for Sora Civil Subdivision. For Peninsula Civil Subdivision, the SDO Civil Office in Peninsula. And for East Khasi Hills District, those constituencies falling under East Khasi Hills District, it will be an ISBT Meghalaya. Rest of the counting centers are the existing counting centers that are DC office, etc. in all the other locations.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukam shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya